2018 and newer Chevy Equinox cabinet filter replacement. The cabinet filter is located behind the glove box, right? And let's remove the dampener on this side, pop it off, just like that, and squeeze both ends on each side right here so you can get it out, just like that. Here is the cabinet filter. It is held by two 5.5 millimeter screw. All right, let's remove them. All right, this one too, and let's release the two tabs on each side. That one's released, and there you go. Here is the new one. Here is the part number. Make sure you pay attention to the arrow down. Alright, yes. And you push it in, right? And put the screws on. There it is. Just screw it in. Don't go too hard on them. Save on that side. And it's done. Let's put the dampener back in. Put the dampener back in, and that's it, guys. There it is. It's in. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.